So hello guys, it's Flipping here, and I just want to make a real quick video because I see a lot of you guys are panicking, and I don't really know why are you panicking, because if you are insecure about your trades, you can just simply wait for the market to come from your trade, your zones or anything, or you can just paper trade it. You don't have to open it live. You can just monitor the price and see what the market does. Okay, but let's see the current position on the 5 minute. As you can see, price was creating a series of higher highs and higher lows up to this zone, this 50-minute zone, right? After we tapped the 50-minute zone right here, we created liquidity, and price swept that liquidity with this wick. This wick, the purpose of this wick is to sweep that liquidity. That's all. That's not a break. It's just a sweep. Okay, because it would have been a break. It should have stayed above the zone for a while, right? Either on the 1 minute, either on the 5 minute, on every time frame. So after that, we swept that liquidity. We tapped into this 1 minute demand zone right here, reacted on it, and couldn't break above this high. So this confirms this is a weak low. So it didn't create a new high. This is a weak low, right? After that, price created this 5 minute supply zone right here that changed character here, and after a change of character, it tapped us into the 5 minute demand zone, right? So switch to the 1 minute. As you can see, here's the 5 minute supply, and here's the 1 minute supply above that 5 minute extreme. Basically, this supply flipped the demand zone. This is the 1 minute zone that this supply flipped. And this zone also created inefficiency, right? We have this supply zone right here that we tapped with this move, but this supply zone could be just a liquidity, right? Because it's below the extreme zone, and on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute, it's nothing, right? It's just inefficiency. It has to be filled. The zone is somewhere here, not here, sorry, here, because it's been exactly tapped. So the zone is somewhere here, and it has inefficiency above. That's why I said it could be liquidity or inducement, right? So it also almost created a double top, as you can see, top, top. So it also confirms that this is a liquidity below these zones. So what can you see more? As you can see, as soon as we tapped into this demand zone, price slowed down. Medium impact news did hit exactly right here at 9 a.m. So after that, we swept that liquidity with this move, the news move. And after a new sweep, we tapped into this supply zone. Yeah, you can also not say it's a break of the zone, because as you can see, it's just a sweep. I talked about this many times, and it's just a sweep. If it would have been a break, then price should have came down and stayed below this zone. After that, it could come back and confirm the trade as it's short, but it's just a liquidity sweep. Okay, so if this zone breaks again, with this movement and it stays below and it creates inefficiency on this move, then we can say the overall bullish trend is turning to bearish, right? But as soon as this zone holds and price can't break below this zone, then it's a bullish trend, because if demand holds, you can take a supply trade, right? Okay, but let's see. If we come back up, just take out this liquidity and tap into these supply zones, either of these or either of these, you should wait for confirmation, because without a confirmation, it's a risk entry, right? Because price is coming from an unmitigated 5 minute demand zone. So if price comes up to these zones, you can just simply wait for a change of character like this, and after that you can enter a short. Or if price doesn't respect these zones and it just breaks above, you can wait for a continuation trade and enter on a demand zone, and you can target just a minute, you can target this higher 15-minute supply zone, and we have a lot of liquidity below this zone also. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 7 top, right? So it's again also just liquidity just below this zone. So okay, long story short, wait for confirmation entry, guys, because if you're insecure about your trades or zones, you can just simply wait for confirmation, and calm down. You don't have to panic. You don't have to rush nowhere. Price is here. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Take care.